Health Tech World recently sat down with some leading entrepreneurs and asked them to share their top reasons why health tech startups fail. They have shared their hands-on experience and views on what makes and breaks a startup in health tech. The hard truth is most startups fail. Being able to launch, nurture and grow your business takes more than a healthy bank account and a passion for success. The health tech space in particular is a challenge. That being said, this is Health Tech World, and this is experts on why health tech startups fail. John Kamara, founder of Afia Record, highlights the dangers of a CEO or their team without industry experience.
Industry experience of the principal promoter, investor, team and other stakeholders plays a critical role in how the health tech startup is perceived in the identified market.
Max Cotton, CEO and founder of Another Round, says you're surely doomed to fail without a proper business plan.
I think quite often people forget or don't realize that they'll need to get paid by their business. Because in order for it to succeed, they'll probably need to work at it full-time, and not as a side hustle.
Victoria Reaper, founder of BetterMe, notes that business is a marathon, not a sprint.
Solving a real problem is the most important for a startup. Don't focus on cool new tech and cool designs, start with the real problem. Technology and design are secondary. The pain and needs of your future clients are your top priority. Of the principal promoter, investor, team and other stakeholders plays a critical role in how the health tech startup is perceived in the identified market.
Karen Andrea Stefan, founder of Earkick, highlights running out of funding and splashing the cash and not making it back as one of her reasons why health tech startups fail.
Many startups run out of funding before the required regulatory milestones are achieved and/or sufficient evidence is generated to prove customers want to buy their product. It's not enough to accomplish one milestone after another in health tech. Founders need to have a solid multi-track strategy, and that often feels like flying a plane while building it and having to make sure it can land safely.
Dr. Anas Nader, founder of Patchwork Health, tells us that those that aren't prepared for how much longer the fundraising and procurement process can take compared to the other sectors are surely doomed to fail.
Having a comprehensive understanding of this, and the impact it will have on how you develop and market your product, is absolutely crucial to successfully launching a health tech solution.
Tim Warrington, CEO of Service Robots, tells Health Tech World that not planning for failures along the way can lead to an ultimate failure of the startup.
I believe after 25 years in business, you should always plan for failure. What if this doesn't work as it should? What other markets are there we can use? In business, health or otherwise, you have to be fluid and business plans are usually rigid.
Natalie Parsons, founder of Dearbump, highlights that not addressing a consumer need is one of the reasons why health tech startups fail.
There's thousands of healthcare apps. What truly makes yours different? Working in tech and having an app have all become buzzwords that attract investors. In reality, some founders don't conduct market or consumer research to find out what consumers really want. For example, do people want to sit and wait 3 days for a face-to-face call with an expert they've connected with through an app? Why can't the answer to their problem be addressed without an appointment?
Arden Thomason, founder of Thalamos, says that not spending enough time thinking about different patient perspectives is another reason why health tech startups fail.
At Thalamos, we take a by-design approach to information governance, clinical safety and lived experience, by addressing the potential impact on patients of each decision that is made from design right through to implementation.
And there you have it, that was expert advice on why health tech startups fail. To check out our experts' full advice, check the link in the description.